Let's get to biz. If Judas hung himself, then how did he fall headlong and his bowels gushed out? I heard a new theory. Depending on how thin the rope is and Judas's weight, you can get a clean beheading. Or the branch breaks and he tumbles down like a snowball and getting punctured or falling on a sharp rock, probably shaped like a pyramid, because Jesus said, "Whoever shall fall on this stone shall be broken, but on whomever it shall fall, it will grind to a powder." Or the vultures saw him and started to op on him. Back in 2004, a whale beached itself and started decomposing because of the natural decomposing process. The gases apparently accumulated, and because of the pressure, it exploded. Judas must have gotten the same fate. Or if you want to get technical with it, maybe Judas digested some uranium-235 and became radioactive because of the chemical reaction with evil. Y'all know the rest. Moral for this story is crime doesn't pay, so store up your riches in Zion. So after your kids take away all your blood, sweat, and tears, you'll also get yours.